In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel an alert on TradingView. So if you have set up an alert on TradingView and you want to cancel this or remove it from your chart, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you will need to do is head over to your TradingView app. Once you open up TradingView, you will need to head over to the currency pair what you have an alert on. So for me, I set an alert on Euro USD, so if I click on that, what that will do is it will open up the chart, and you can zoom in and zoom out as much as you like, and as you can see, the orange dotted bar here is my alert. So if I wanted to remove this, all I simply need to do is click on it. It might be a little bit fiddly to first of all try and click on it, guys, so you might need to zoom in a little bit. So as you can see, if you click and hold on the alert, you will get this little pop-up menu here, and all you simply need to do now is click on remove. Once you click on remove and you get this pop-up box here, click on yes, and then as you can see, the alert has now been removed from my chart. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.